श्रीभगवन् उवाच पश्यामि पार्थ रूपाणि शताशत सहस्रश ननविधानि दिव्यानि ननवर्णाकृतीनि च. Meaning, the Supreme Lord said, "Behold, O Earth, my hundreds and thousands of wonderful forms of various shapes, sizes and colors." In chapter 11 of the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna requests the Lord to show him his Vishwarup. The Lord grants his request and shows him his Vishwarup. Arjuna sees the entire creation in the body of God with unlimited arms, faces and stomachs. It has no beginning or end. His radiance is similar to thousand suns shining together in the sky. He witnesses the three worlds trembling with fear of God's laws and the celestial gods taking shelter. He can see several sages offering prayers and singing hymns. Then Arjuna sees the Kauravas along with their allies rushing into the mouth of the formidable form. Although petrified by the appearance, Arjuna wants to know the identity of this breathtaking form of God. The Lord says in the form of time, He is the destroyer of the three worlds. He has already destroyed the Kaurava warriors, and the Pandavas' victory is certain. Therefore, Arjuna should get up and fight without fear. Overwhelmed, Arjuna starts praising the Lord and begs his forgiveness for any acts of disrespect he may have committed in ignorance, and then requests him to take a pleasing form. Sri Krishna then manifests into his four-armed form, carrying a mace, disc, conch shell and lotus flower in each arm. He then resumes his loving form of the charming Sri Krishna and tells Arjuna that even those who study the Vedas, do severe penance, charity or fire sacrifices, etc., do not get this opportunity. Only with deep devotion similar to Arjuna can one see God, get to know Him and attain yoga. So this is all about chapter 11 of the Bhagavad Gita. Stay tuned to learn what happens next. Om Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha.